Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got a Vauxhall Astra here on a 2016 plate. I'm just going to show you what's not working on this. Basically, we're replacing the light on the near side, which is that one there. The position lamp and the stop lamp's not working. And I'm just going to show you exactly what I mean. Can you switch the ignition on? Right, as you can see there, so you've got both working, 1, 2, and then on this side you've only got that working, not the near side. Outer ones are not working. Now press the brakes. Now you can see the top one's working, the right one's working, the left one isn't working. To do it, it is quite a simple procedure. I'm just going to let go. Turn the car off, please. I've already taken the cover off, which goes across here like that. And on the inside there, you can see that's the plug, that's a screw we need to undo. So this is the one that we need to undo. So if I take the screw out, as you're taking the screw out, wiggle it as well at the same time, so pushing it outwards. Sometimes they do get a little bit tight, so you can use a 10mm or an 11mm spanner or a socket, and or a plier as well. You can use that at the same time if you've got it, if it is too tight. So once this is out, take the screw, make sure you don't drop it. Now what you want to do, you gently want to pull this out towards you. Once it's out, so this is the lug. Basically it goes across there, it goes across here, and that's the kind of slots in, and then there slots in as well. Put that to the side, and as you can see, he's already done some there's some wiring here. I'm not sure what that's for. Maybe he had an electrical problem with this before, hence that's why he's got the wiring like that. But to take it out, it is easy. So you got clip, clip, clip. So once you push these back, you can then take it out. Now they do get a bit tight, so what you want to do, use a screwdriver, gently pull back, and at the same time push up. You do the same thing on the other side as well. So I'm now going to put this to the side. So basically this is it. Oops, sorry. So that's what we're replacing. So we're replacing this bulb right here. It is a single filament bulb, so I'm assuming it's going to be a 3A2 bulb. I'm just going to get the 3A2 bulb out, which is right here. That's what you want. I'm just going to put this on pause for a second. Right, I've got the new bulb in there now. Like I said, it is a 3A2 bulb. You can find a link for it in the description where to get it from as well. Click on that link. And if you did find this video useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Also, there's a special thanks button as well. Don't forget to click on that. And yeah, comment us below if you need anything else. Now, to put it back, it is again simple procedure. There's only one way this would go. I just need to find out which way. Obviously, I'm using one hand for camera and one hand for recording. So that is going to go in like this basically. So here we go. I think it should just click in now. You just pause this for a second. It's hard to pause it for a second because the clips were a bit tight. So there, that's pushed in. That there is pushed in as well. That there is pushed in. As long as they all clip in, which will be brilliant. If you don't clip them in properly, you'll get water inside, you'll get a lot of condensation, and that's how you blow the lights up as well at the same time. Now if you want to slide this through, get that lined up, and get the inner one lined up as well, and then you just push it in. Working in. Gets a bit tricky when you're recording at the same time. Just going to try making sure this lines up. That's it. Now it's lined up. And then put that screw back in. Just right there. The screw goes in there. Like I said, do not drop the screw wherever happens. I just hope everything works because of that wire, extra wire on there. I'm not sure why they had that there, but let's just see. Now that's nice and tight. Now can you switch the ignition on? You can see already is working now. That there is working as well. Press the brakes. That there is working. That there is working. We're just going to check all of them now. Okay, this is working. That there is working as well. That's all it is on this particular model. If there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the special thanks button as well. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.